In order to make sensible estimates, we need to know the rough size of some common measurements. To begin with, if we look at lengths, a millimetre is about the diameter of a pinhead. A centimetre is about the width of your fingernails. That's quite an easy one to check. A metre is about the height of a door. Kilometre is obviously 1,000 metres, but it's not the easiest thing to picture, really. In terms of masses, milligram is absolutely tiny. That's about the mass of a small feather. A gram is about the mass of a raisin. It's quite easy to picture. Kilogram, mass of a litre of water, exactly. And a ton is about the mass of a car, I was going to say, but, well, mass of a small car, mass of a walrus. In terms of capacity, so volume, milliliter is the volume of a water drop, and centiliter isn't particularly used much in the UK. It's 100 millilitres. No, it's not. Centiliter isn't particularly used much. It's just 10 millilitres. And a litre bottle, well, we can visualise a litre bottle quite easily. These are some common measurements that we need to know. These are only approximations, but it does help to have a picture in your mind of these measurements. So average mass of a car, 1,500 kilograms. The height of a car, about 1.7 metres. Length of a car is about 4 metres. Typical British man's about 1.75 metres tall. Mass of a bag of flour is about a kilogram. Average mass of a man is 80 kilograms. And average capacity of a tea mug is 350 millilitres. These are just estimates, but they'll help us answer questions on these topics. Finally, the average mass of a newborn baby is about 3.5 kilograms. Here's an example. The house is twice the height of the average man. How high is the house in meters? So it's only an approximation, but basically the height of the average man in Britain is about 1.75 meters. So if the house is twice that, we would just need to do 1.75 doubled. So to do this, you could do 1.75 plus 1.75. Which would be 3.5 meters. Another example, Tom makes enough tea for 3 people in the staff room. Estimate the volume of water he would have to bring to the boil. Well, approximately a tea mug is 350 millilitres in volume. So if he's made 3 mugs of tea, we can just add up 350 millilitres 3 times. Or we could do 1,050 millilitres, which in litres is 1.05. So about 1.05, about 1.1 litres. Mr. Edwards weighs 20 kilograms more than the average British man. How much does he weigh? Well, the average British man is about 80 kilograms. So Mr. Edwards is 20 kilograms more, which is 100 kilograms. Baby Oswald weighs 0.5 kilograms less than average. How much does he weigh? Well, a newborn baby is typically about 3.5 kilograms. So if he weighs 0.5 kilograms less than that, he's going to be about 3 kilograms in weight. These are all estimates, but it's a good idea to get a picture of what these units mean. So Becca uses 6 bags of flour to make the bread in her bakery. What mass of flour does she use? Well, the mass of a bag of flour is about 1 kilogram, so it's approximately 6 kilograms. Bob is stuck in traffic. The traffic jam is 12 cars long. How long is the traffic jam? Well, a car length is about 4 meters. So if we have a traffic jam which is 12 cars long, it's going to be 12 lots of 4. Now, 12 times 4 is going to be 48, so we have a 48 meter traffic jam. Now the traffic jam is 400 meters long. We want to work out how many cars are in the jam. So to do this, we would need to see how many 4 meters are in 400 meters. So we just need to do 400 divided by 4, which is 100. So there are about 100 cars in that traffic jam. Leo's lorry is twice the height of an average car. We want to work out how tall his lorry is. Well, the average car is about 1.7 meters high. So we just need to do 1.7 doubled. So we could do 1.7 times 2, which is 3.4. So his lorry is about 3.4 meters high. A car transport has a maximum load weight of 15,000 kilograms. Approximately how many cars can it carry at a time? Well, the mass of a car, the average mass of a car is 1,500 kilograms. So we just need to do 15,000 divided by 1,500, which is going to be exactly 10. So it can carry approximately 10 cars at a time. Obviously, that's not factoring in the amount of space that it has, but approximately 10 cars. Here are some questions for you to try. Please pause the video now and have a go, and when you're ready to go through the answers, press play. Here are the answers.